Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a famous Filipino dish called Adobo chicken. It is essentially braised chicken with vinegar and soy sauce. If you need the recipe, please click the link in the description right below the YouTube video. So, let's get started. Preparing chicken adobo is very easy and there's a lot of room for variation. The basic ingredients are chicken, vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Some people use equal part of vinegar and soy sauce, but I use slightly less vinegar because I do not want it to be too sour. Add all these ingredients to the chicken and marinate it for at least 2 to 3 hours. And again, you can have lots of variation. Some people do not marinate it. If you choose not to marinate the chicken due to short of time, you have to braise it for a little longer time to make sure that the flavor is penetrate deep into the interior of the chicken chunks. Marination helps to ensure that the flavor of the seasonings penetrate deep into the chicken. That is what I prefer. So I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. If you really have time, you can even leave it there overnight. It is absolutely fine. While we are marinating the chicken, let's prepare other ingredients. First, we have the crushed garlic. Some people prefer to coarsely chop the garlic and mix together with the chicken and marinate. But since I want to pan fry the chicken, the coarsely chopped garlic that stick on the chicken can burn easily, and therefore I want to separate it and saute the garlic separately. Here we have the diced onion and then dried chili, or you can substitute with fresh chili or omit it if you want. And we have some sliced ginger. Some people don't put it, you can omit it too if you want. But most importantly, bay leaves. Bay leaves is one of the most important ingredients for adobo chicken. After marinating the chicken for a few hours, now we can pan fry and then braise the chicken. Place the chicken in a pan. Pan fry the chicken slowly until both sides turn slightly brown. I always like to use chicken chunks that is bone in and skin on, which is more flavorful. But you can always opt to use chicken breast meat. Once the chicken turns brown on both sides, remove. Don't worry about if the internal of the chicken is not cooked through because we will braise it for another 20 minutes. Next, heat up some oil in the pan and saute the crushed garlic over low heat slowly. And the chopped onion. Now, put the pan-fried chicken back to the pan. Add the liquid from the marinades. That's the soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Add the bay leaves and a piece of dried chili. Add half tablespoon of peppercorn if you wish. Turn down the heat, cover it and braise for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and turn the chicken over to ensure the chickens are evenly cooked and absorb all the flavor of the braising liquid. And then braise for another 10 minutes until it's tender. After 20 minutes of braising, open the lid and check the doneness. Take a look of the sauce. You can have a thicker sauce for a stronger flavor or a more runny sauce that you can drizzle on the rice. Once you are satisfied with the sauce, do a taste test. The flavor is just nice, so I'm not going to add any salt or water. Dish out and serve. You can serve the adobo chicken in a casserole. Or serve on a bed of steamed rice. With some sauce drizzle on it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like the adobo chicken. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'm KB Kwan, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.